Yeah, so you know, it's getting late. If you want, you can go to my place. I thought you'd never ask. Ugh, I hate these. Forget the news story! Run! Is that a fire? And sorry about that. We're switching to a helicopter view. There are ongoing reports of violent assault, suspect riding, mutant objects. With monster objects not rude enough for them? Oh, yes, right. If they look scary, it's just because they blew in from the outer ring. Yeah. So, school, do you want to get out of here? Oh, sure. Whoa! Did you see what that was? No.
Citrus, was it?
Sorry. Be quiet. Listen. No. I can't. Die like this.